Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Tyler again at Fisher Auto in Boulder, Colorado. Here on the Acura sales lot, looking at this gorgeous 23 MDX. And what we're going to talk about today, folks, is the factory. It's called Acura Maintenance Program, okay? So when you purchase a 2023 and newer vehicle, Acura is going to provide you with 2 years, yes, 2 years of factory maintenance, including lube oil and filter and tire rotation. So keep that in mind when you purchase one of these fine units of 23 and newer, that you'll have those coverage and offers to you. It covers 2 per year, so roughly 5-6 months when the maintenance minder light comes on the dash. We'll cover the lube oil and filter again and tire rotation twice a year for 2 years, okay? So that's exciting for you guys and gals. The other thing is during those 2 years, you'll have other maintenance minder numbers come up. And if you're a fan of our videos, you'll see that and know that we've talked about there are the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 numbers that pop up on the dash at the 15% oil life wrench that comes on your dash and lets you know that you do for service. So with the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, that's going to be an out-of-pocket expense for you. But know that the A1 and the B1 are going to be covered by Acura from the factory during those first 2 years. So it's kind of exciting. It's going to save you roughly anywhere from $85 to $105. So that's cool. And that comes complimentary when you purchase a 23 unit off the lot here. So any questions, you know we're here for you. Call us here at the store, numbers below, and we'd be happy to help you. So look forward to seeing you. Take advantage of that factory complimentary maintenance called Acura Maintenance Program, okay? Take care. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.